Good morning. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday for me, and today is going to be a productive day. If I'm being honest, I didn't wake up in the best mood. I was just really tired. I wanted to have a second cup of coffee, but I've held off. I've been drinking a lot of water, but instead I've just decided that it's going to be a productive day, and I changed up a few things in my routine this morning that will help me feel better. So I started off with a morning workout, which I don't do as often as I should. So even just getting my body moving this morning really put me in a better mood. And then I showered and I did my hair, and I don't know, it just like makes me feel good to get myself ready for the day. And also it makes Monday mornings so much easier if I have my hair done the day before. That way the curls will just kind of fall and look more natural. I'll brush it out and then it'll be good to go for the next day too. So I've been trying to stretch out my hair and not wash it as often, so today was a hair washing day. I've also been rocking the middle part the last like 2 weeks or so, and I'm kind of liking it. Apparently TikTok says that the side parts are out of style. I don't know about that. I still like the side part, but I've been giving the middle part a fair try lately and I like it. I don't know, maybe it's just like my hair has more volume to it because it's not used to being part in the middle. Like it is so used to being part on the side that when I get out of the shower and take my hair down from a towel, like it already naturally parts on the side. But anyways, the next thing I want to do is do my nails. They don't have polish on them right now, and Sundays are usually the day that I sit down to do my nails, and then they're good to go for the week. So today I'm going to be using these really fun pastel colors. These are by Sally Hansen Miracle Gel, and it's the Rainbow Lights collection. These are all the shades from the collection, and I'm so in love with these pastels. I am just in the mood for spring to finally be here, and this has also been putting me in a good mood. And what makes these polishes last all week is the top coat. This is their new and improved formula. It's also in a new packaging, so it is in this shiny bottle, so you can't miss it at the store. If you're not familiar with Miracle Gel, the way that it works is you first apply your color shade, which is step 1, and then you follow it up with step 2, the top coat. And it's a gel-like manicure that you can do at home, no UV light. It's super easy and it lasts on your nails. That's why I like to do my nails on Sunday, and then it lasts for the whole week. But I know that this polish lasts more than a week, up to 8 days, with them still looking really shiny and without chipping. So this is my holy grail. You heard me talking about this a few months ago, and I've just been using it nonstop. It is my go-to. So yeah, doing my nails puts me in a good mood, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. I finished off the look with the step 2 Miracle Gel top coat, which adds a really great shine and makes this manicure last up to 8 days without chipping. I also want to thank Sally Hansen for partnering with me on this part of the vlog. I will have all of these nail polishes linked down below, but just really quickly, the ones that I used here today, I applied TuTu the Ballet to all of my nails as a base. And then I did the diagonal tip using Crying Out Cloud, Sweet Pea, and Rain Glow. And then these are 2 other shades in the collection, which are also so pretty. This is Sun Shower and Peaches and Dream. I will link the whole collection down below, but you can also find it at your local stores. I just feel like these polishes are so perfect for spring, and having my nails done puts me in such a good mood. It is quite a little while later. I relaxed a little bit while my nails were drying, and then I've been doing some computer work. I'm working on a new video to post this week, which is another thing that I like to do on Sundays. Now I'm just having a snack. I cut an apple because it is one of my favorite healthy snacks. And as you can tell, I don't have sheets on my bed right now because I'm doing laundry. Laundry is one of those chores that I do not mind doing because you put it in and then you can do other things while it's going, but you feel productive because it's going in the background. Does anyone else feel me on that one? But the laundry's almost done. I'm gonna put the sheets back in my bed, and then I'm gonna clean my room because I have a lot of clothes that I need to put away, and I need to deep clean my bathroom. Kind of procrastinating, but I need to do it. Oh, nice fresh sheets. These sheets are like bamboo, so they are very staticky when I put them on the bed, and they take a little bit longer to put on, but they're worth it. Also, if you remember, I did a haul of this duvet cover. It's from Bouclair, and the size on it is, it said queen/standard, and this is a double bed, so a standard size bed. But I have a queen bed at my condo, and I actually bought it for my condo, but then when I put it on here, I washed it and put it in the dryer before putting it on, and because it's like a linen weave material, I guess it shrunk and it like barely fits this double bed. So I don't think that I can bring it to my condo, and I think it's gonna stay on this bed, but that's okay because I'm using it here and I like it. But I guess I'll have to figure out something else for my condo bed when I eventually move back there. Okay, now to tackle the pile of clothes that's in the corner of my room. This is embarrassing. I shouldn't even be showing you, but this is a pile of clothes. This is all clean clothes that just came out of the laundry. And then here there's clothes that I like wore around the house, like a cardigan or something that didn't need to be washed just yet. And there's probably old clean laundry underneath that pile. So I just need to put it all away and I'll feel so much better and it'll feel clean in here. Why do I have this much laundry? This is a problem. Look, this still has a tag on it. I recently bought this from Dynamite and like 2 other things in this pile along with this sweater, and then I have matching sweatpants because I'm obsessed with buying matching sweatsuits. Why did I buy work clothes? I don't know, but at least it's something nice to wear on my video calls from the waist up. And I just couldn't resist because it was such a good deal. Like some of their sale stuff was like $14. Really good prices. Ta-da! Bathroom is clean. I also cleaned the toilet, the shower, and the floors, but I didn't want to show you that. Didn't think it was that interesting. So now that is all clean, and now I am pretty much done my chores for the day. I did do some meal prep earlier with my mom, so that's all done as well. And we were thinking about making a whole video on how we meal prep, and you can learn some of the tips from my mom that I've learned from her. So I thought that that would be a cool video to make together. Let me know in a comment down below if you'd be interested in watching that. But now that I finished everything on my to-do list for the day, I am going to relax and enjoy the evening. First, I like to look over, well, I usually do this like right before I go to bed, but I like to look over my work calendar for the next day. I do this every day, not just on Sundays, but I will pull up my work calendar on my phone just to double check that I know what's coming for the next day, if I have any early meetings that were booked last minute or anything like that, just so that I have a good view of what my next day will look like. It helps me to mentally prepare for the next day. But after that, I like to just relax and watch something on TV, spend time with my parents and Merlot, and that's what Sunday nights are for. This is what we like to see in the fridge. Meal prep is done and ready for the week. All right, I'm gonna head to bed now, but thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'd love to have you back, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.